Very good morning, regular students. Our running topic is quadratic equations. So from that, I am going to explain some more important problems. Listen well. A train travels 360 kilometers at uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers more, it would have taken 1 hour less to complete the same journey. Now you have to find what is the speed of the train. Solution. Let uniform speed of train is equal to x kilometers per hour. So I am taking the speed of train is nothing but x kilometers per hour. Here case 1. What is the distance here? Distance travelled by train is equal to how much? 360 kilometers. Next, what is the speed of train? Is equal to x kilometers per hour. Time taken to complete the journey. What is the formula to find time? Time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance here? 360 kilometers. And what is the speed of train here? X kilometers. So in case 1, to complete the journey of 360 kilometers, it took 360 by x hours. Here case 2. What is the case 2? The speed of the train 5 kilometers per hour increased. So in case 2, distance not changes. So distance is nothing but 360 kilometers. But speed of the train is equal to x plus 5 kilometers per hour. In case 2, speed of the train is x plus 5. Why? Because 5 kilometers increased. Then time taken to complete required journey. Time taken to complete required journey. What is the formula? Time is equal to distance by speed. So what is the distance here? 360 by speed is nothing but x plus 5. But in second time, it would reach 1 hour before than the first journey. As per given. Difference in time is equal to 1 hour. As per given, difference in time is equal to 1 hour. It means 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. What is the LCM here? X by x into x plus y is a LCM. So what is the remaining here? 360 into x plus 5 minus 360x. Then after 360 into x, 360x plus 360 into 5 minus 360x by here. X into x, x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 1. So plus 360x minus 360x cancel. Here what I am doing here? I am doing cross multiplication. So by the cross multiplication, what you will get? 800 is equal to x square plus 5x. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. So finally here one quadratic equation form. What is the quadratic equation here? X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. To find the speed of the train, first you have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Here quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. So I am going to use factorization method to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Here what is the number? 1800. We can write 40 into 35. So 1800 we can write 40 into So 1800 we can write 40 into 45. So finally it is x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is nothing but 40 into 45 is equal to 0. So from these two, what is the common? X is a common. So remaining x plus 45. So from this 40 is a common. So remaining x plus 45 is equal to 0. So once again here x plus 45 I am taking as common. So what is the remaining here? X plus 45 into x minus 40 is equal to 0. As per exponents, if AB is equal to 0, A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. X plus 45 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 is equal to 0. So finally what is the value here? X is equal to 40. 40 means uniform speed of train is equal x is equal 40 kilometers per hour. So the train is running with the 40 kilometers per hour speed. Here another question in class students. If a polygon of n sides have 1 by 2 in and 1 by 2 half n into n minus 3 diagonals, how many sides are there? If a polygon have 65 diagonals. So if a polygon of n sides have 1 by 2 half n into n minus 3 diagonals, how many sides are there in a polygon with 65 diagonals? With 65 diagonals. Solution. If a polygon have n sides, then number of diagonals in that, if a polygon have n sides, number of diagonals in that is equal to 1 by 2 half n into n minus 3. So I am taking as per given, I am taking 1 by 2 half n into n minus 3 is equal to 65. So n is nothing but number of sides. Here I know the number of diagonals of polygon, but I don't know number of sides of a polygon. So here number of sides are n. N into n, n square minus 3 into n, 3n is equal to 65 into 2. So n square minus 3 into 65 into 2, 130. N square minus 3n minus 130 is equal to 0. Here also one quadratic equation formed. What is that? N square minus 3n minus 130 is equal to 0. We have to find the roots of this polygon. To find the roots of quadratic equation, we have three methods: factorization, quadratic formula, and also completing square method. Here I am going to use factorization method. What is the number here? Equation number 130. 130 we can write 10 into 13 is equal to 130. So here n square minus 39 minus 10 minus 10 into 13 is equal to 0. So from this what is the common? N is a common. So remaining n minus 13. Here 10 is a common. What is the remaining here? N minus 13 is equal to 0. So once again n minus 13 is a common. So n plus 10 is equal to 0. n minus 13 is equal to 0 and n plus 10 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 13 is a correct answer. Required sides of a polygon which have 65 diagonals is, so required polygon have 13 sides. The area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Here one plot there that is in the shape of rectangle. What is the area here? 528. If the breadth length of the park or plot 1 meter more than twice to its breadth, then you have to find the dimensions of the plot. Solution. Here one plot is there in the shape of rectangle. I don't know the length and also I don't know the breadth of plot is equal to x meters. Then what about length? Length is equal to 2x plus 1. Why? Because length is 1 meter more than twice to its breadth. And what is the area given? Area of plot is equal to 528. What is the formula to find area of rectangle? Length into breadth is equal to 528. Here what is the length? 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 528. It is 2x square plus x is equal to 528. It means 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Here also one quadratic equation formula. You have to find the roots of that quadratic equation. Here I am going to apply quadratic formula. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 5. As per quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a minus, what is the value of the b? 1 plus or minus b square means 1 square minus 4ac means 4 into 2 into minus 5 by 2a means here 2 into 2. Then after minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 square means 1 minus into minus plus. Now multiply that. Minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 and 8 into 528 is nothing but 4 double 2 4 by 2 2s are 4. So 1 square means 1 minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. 8 into 528, 4 double 2 4. Now x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 4225 by 4. Minus 1 plus or minus square root of 4225 is nothing but 65 by 4 is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 65 by 4. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 65 by 4 or minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 65 by 4. So according to that, what is the value of x? X is equal to 64 by 4. 4 ones are 4, remaining to 24, 4 6 are. So what is the value of x here? X meters. X means breadth of given rectangular plot is equal, x is equal 16 meters. Then whatever the length, length is equal to 2x plus 1 is equal 2 into 16 plus 1 is equal 33 meters. 33 meters. Today's homework problems. The area of rectangular plot is 105 meters square if length is 1 meter more than twice to its breadth. Find dimensions. Second problem. Find the roots of x square plus 5 is equal to minus 6x.